Ho, ho, holy moly, Rudolph! It looks like we wrecked the sled on that last test run. What are we going to do?
Hey Santa, looks like you can use some help with your sleigh. Let's get that thing back to the shop. The Swanton team will know what to do to make it right. Let me call a tow truck.
No need for that because we've got Christmas magic. I sure hope you can help me out.
Don't worry, Santa. We got this.
Ho, ho, ho! Swanton Welding saved Christmas this year.
Here you go, Santa.
Nick, there's going to be a special present underneath your tree this year from our favorite fabrication shop.
We want to wish you a Merry Christmas from Swanton Welding.
Merry Christmas from Swanton Welding.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas from Swanton Welding.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Swanton Welding.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Swanton Welding.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's.
From the Swanton Welding family to your family, we'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hello, I'm Norm Zeider, President of Swanton Welding. Looking back on 2021, I'm proud of the work we've been able to accomplish for our customers. Swanton Welding is only capable of being the best at what we do because of the amazing team of welders, fabricators, and staff across our 3 locations in Swanton, Ohio, Pettisville, Ohio, and Griffin, Georgia. I personally wanted to thank you, our customers, for your continued business, and we look forward to a bright future in 2022. From the Swanton Welding family and the Zeider family to yours, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Ho, 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 ho.